How to fix an iPad that won't shut down, a simple guide. Force restart your iPad. iPads with a home button, press and hold the home button. Press and hold the top button while holding the home button. Keep holding the buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Then you can let go. iPads without a home button, press the volume up button and release it quickly. Then, press the volume down button and release it quickly. Press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo show up on the screen. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Turn off the iPad from the Settings app. Open the Settings app and tap the General option. Scroll down in the General section until you see Shut Down. Tap on it. You'll see a slider appear on the screen. Slide it from left to right to turn off your iPad. Update iPad OS. Open iPad Settings. Choose General. Tap Software Update. If there's an update waiting, you'll see two options. You can either download and install right away or choose Install Now if the update has already been downloaded. Turn off the iPad using a virtual button. Open the Settings app, tap on Accessibility, and then choose Touch. Select Assistive Touch. Switch the slider to enable the feature. A small, circular button will appear on the screen. Tap on the virtual button and select Device. Choose More. Finally, tap Restart to turn off your iPad. Reset your iPad settings. Open iPad Settings and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPad. Select Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Enter the iPad passcode if it's set up and confirm the action. Put iPad into the recovery mode. Before you start, make sure your iPad is turned off. Use the cable that came with your iPad to connect it to your Mac or another computer. Open Finder for Macs running macOS Catalina or newer. For Macs running macOS Mojave or earlier and other computers, you'll need to have iTunes opened. iPads with a home button, press and hold both the home and the top, or side, buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them even after the Apple logo appears. Release all buttons when you see the recovery mode screen. For iPads without a home button, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the top button until your device begins to restart. Hold the top button until your device enters recovery mode. Once your iPad is in recovery mode, iTunes or Finder on your computer will show an alert with options to restore or update your iPad. Choose the option that you need and follow the instructions. Enter the DFU mode. Use the lightning cable to connect the iPad to your computer. Open iTunes if you're using a PC or Mac with macOS Mojave 10.14 or earlier. If you're using a Mac with macOS Catalina 10.15 or newer, open Finder. iPads with a home button, press and hold both the power button and the home button at the same time. Continue holding both buttons even after the screen goes black. Hold for 3 more seconds. Let go of the power button but keep holding the home button. Keep holding the home button until your iPad shows up in iTunes or Finder. Click on Restore iPad to begin restoring your device. iPads without a home button. Hold down the power button. After 3 seconds, press and hold the volume down button while still holding the power button. Continue to hold both buttons for 10 seconds, then release just the power button. Keep holding the volume down button for another 5 seconds. Release the volume down button once your iPad appears in iTunes or Finder and click on Restore iPad. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.